everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply share your screen with audio here in your Messenger app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, make sure to share this video with your friends and family who also can do it accordingly. So we will simply just dive into our video now. So if you want to do so, first of all, just go to your mobile phone and go ahead, get your Messenger app. Once you find your Messenger app, open it up, and then you will simply, so for me, I'll simply tap on this account over here, tap on this, simply go ahead and call. Okay, so for this purpose, that person have to receive your call. If that person does not, then you cannot share your screen, obviously. So once this person, as you can see, have received the call over there, so I will go ahead and tap on this icon in between. Simply tap on this icon, and then you can see you will have a lots of options below, right? So you can see this option called share over there. Simply go ahead and tap on that option. Now you can simply tap on this start sharing option, tap on it, and then you can see this option called start now, right? So you can simply tap on the start now option, and this will and then you will tap on this minimize call option given. So as you can see, you can simply be able to see this out. Now I'm able to simply share my screen over there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you got more questions, do leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.